Yeah, this is going to be beautiful. So next, I'm going to try and square off some of the ends, a little bit off each end, and then enough off the back to get a flat, and then I'll make my marks. Yeah, so because I'm gonna need this to be around, I think I'm gonna try and cut right here, because there's that knot, and that'll be kind of funny. So. Eyeball it. Let's try there. Get us pretty close. Now, I can sort of lay out and see what kind of, I think I cut off a little much, but it'll just be a slightly smaller bowl. All right, next, I'm going to put in a circle. Let's see where that gets us. There's a little split there. Kind of wish I hadn't cut that off so soon. It's going to be a small bowl. Ugh. Oh well. And I think I'm still going to take down a little bit here. So what I usually do is I take my little gimlet tool and drill a hole a little further down, so I always can see where center is even after I've taken off the this is called a gimlet. I got it for like 50 cents. It's Marples, Sheffield. Cool. It's a nice one. All right, I think I can do some of this here. Back. I don't normally recommend, well, never mind. This is my bench, and I kind of do this splitting on the top often. If I ever make myself a nice bench, I won't do this. There's a little baby spoon in there. Keep that. Now, I'm going to take off that side. Going to get lots of this pink in the bowl, so that's pretty cool. Usually I don't actually hit the bench, but as long as I do it over the leg, it's pretty solid. See, that bark just comes right off. So this is the mandrel. I basically have a little brown tenon that goes right in here. Use this lifter. And I do this on a drill press, so I know it's pretty square to the thing. If not, as I turn, it'll sort of round itself out. So here's a little tour of the lathe. We're looking up right now at the bungee cord that goes across. And then there's a cord that goes down. And then there's a bunch of messy shelves. But right in front is the actual lathe part where I put the bowl, or the bed of the lathe. And then down there is my foot pedal where I make the bowl spin. So normally it's called a pole. It's called a pole lathe because they used to just use an old tree stuck through a window to make the spring go up and down. But bungee is much more convenient in these modern times. Not as modern as electricity, but you know. All right, take two. Here, so here's this. Before I string it up, you have to center it in here. Sometimes it takes a few tries. That'll do. Alright, I think that's a better view to see the hollowing. All right. This is the annoying, oops, sorry. All right, here's my coring tool. It basically kind of gets into the core and it's bent so it can get around the rim of the bowl. So let's hope it goes well. This wobbly core makes this all right. Let's smooth everything down. This part's fun. You can see that this part is already starting to turn orange from the oxidation. All right, here it is. All right, the last step is to just take off the nubs in the middle. Oops. That's pretty cool. The color's pretty amazing, especially that.